Instead of reaching for a beer when you get home from work, do the stretch first. It's called reverse prayer and it looks like this. Do the stretch when you've come home from work. Sit with a neutral spine. Reach your arms behind your back. Grab onto each forearm or each elbow. If this feels comfortable, then place your hands between your shoulder blades into reverse prayer. Breathe in and out here for 3 breaths. Release the hands, raise your arms up. Exhale, back down. Make it into a flow. Palms touch, or forearms or elbows touch, that's enough. Reach all the way up, back down. All the way up, back down. All the way up, back down. And when you're doing this, all the way up, back down. You're lubricating your shoulders, opening up your chest, keeping your shoulders fluid if you've been stuck in one position all day.